Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek. Today I am presenting our first assignment unstructured unstructured data and NoSQL technologies using a GM mini social media app like GMinsta. Now I am explaining these topics about abstract introduction, problem statements, scope implementation, literature review, system requirement, objectives, architecture, implementation, output and conclusion, and reference. Let me explain abstract. GMinsta is a high performance social networking platform engineered to replicate this sophisticated user experience of Instagram development using the Node.js and ecosystem and MongoDB. The project emphasizes real-time data synchronization, premium user architecture, and scalable backend architecture. This report details the software development methodologies applied from requirement allocation to high friendly UI UX design. The system introduced advanced features. Next, introduction. The evaluation of social media has transformed digital interaction into an art, art from GMinsta is a response to the need from platform that combines the speed of modern web technologies with the visual language of world-class social application by utilizing a Maran if stack like project achieve near instance case play phase transition and minimal memory footprint. The development process follows the agile methodology specifically scam to the allow for rapid interaction visualization components. Here the problem statement. Many con many problems. Many comprehensive social media applications face challenges related to interface, the culture deployed and notification and complex having navigation for developers understanding the underlying architecture of such as a system of often difficult due to the efficient to perfectly code base. A GMS address this issue by eliminating the unnecessary UI complexity to focus on the core content, implementing a web stack based notification system that replaces traditional foiling, provide a transformate modeling MVC architecture. Is scope and limitation. Now I explain scope. User management, secure authentication, profile customization, and followers and following relationship, content sharing, multimedia post uploads with the caption and tagging, engagement tools, real-time chat stories, highlights, threads, comments, and post likes, moderation and analytics, post reporting system and details, profile growth analytics using charts and real-time engine, instant alerts for likes, comments, and messages via socket. Point 10 limitations. This is security. There are four types of limitations: security, media hosting, scalability, advanced discovery. Security. Two-factor authentication is not implemented in current vision. Media hosting. Files are stored locally on the server rather than an distributed CDN or cloud storage. scalability. The current now literature review. The evaluation of social architecture has a traditional form, static page reload up to the dynamic structure. The literature review explain how social web applications have evaluated from traditional static pages to modern dynamic application. Earlier, the system focused issued with high concurrency and real-time communication. Modern platforms like Instagram and Twitter use technologies such as Node.js and MongoDB manage real-time updates and unstructured social social data efficiency. Our system also use WebSockets technology which allows instant data update without refreshing the page. This improve user experience and support real-time communication. Now coming the system requirements. The hardware requirements include a quad-core processor with 2.0 gigabyte, minimum 4 GB RAM, around 500 MB storage space. The software requirements operating system Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Real-time environment Node.js database MongoDB. Package manager is npm. Modern EXP compatibility web browser. Next is a objective. Our project is guided by five core strategic objectives. First, zero latency real-time interaction. We use WebSocket technologies to deliver message and notification instantly in million millisecond. Next, architecture authenticity. We designed a professional and visually attractive system using modern CSS and Google fonts. Third one is data integrity and security. We apply strong encryption and secure session management to protect user data and password. Next one is advanced media optimization. Our system can efficiently handle high quality images and videos without reducing performance. Last one is user engagement analytics. We provide real-time insights about user reach, likes and followers growth using interactive charts. Next, architecture. The GMinsta architecture follows the model view control design pattern to ensure separation of concern and architecture components: presentation layer, application layer, data layer and communication layer. Presentation layer is built with vanilla JavaScript, HTML and CSS3. It communicates with backend via fetch API and socket. Application layer is a ExpressJS, handles routing and business logic. It processes request interest with the database and triggers real-time events. Data layer is a Mongo's manage data permissions scheme of the defined for user post stories, messages and notification. Last one is communication layer. Socket 10 is a functionalities to bird communication for instant messaging and live notification. This is implementation like our code explanation. Here I then show the code. This is our code and this is our output like print like like a front end like GMinsta login page, adding username and password. Like after we have see the home pages like home page, search, explore, messages, notification, create profile. After we click the profile, we have seen the our profile like we have create edit profile, share profiles and likes, comments, bio change and real time notification and messages. This is the presentation. Next to the presentation layer, a register logic and fit the. You have seen this presentation layer diagram. Conclusion: the GMinsta project successfully demonstrates the integration of complex software engineering concept into a functionality user process. From requirements engineering to architecture design, the system achieves a high level of reliability and visual application lecture. Next is a future framework. There are four types of future framework: identity logic, identity and social graph, content engine, communication, discovery, operational intelligence. Now we explain identity and social graph. Secure login with encryption, user profile with post, bio, followers, and follow unfollow system, view followers and following lists. Content engine, upload images and video, caption, hashtags, extra. And communication discord like real time chat, online cast, active last active status, notifications for activity, explore the feed and user search. Fourth one is operational intelligence, analytics, dashboard, track likes, followers, graph, report, like images optimization and fast status. Thank you.